The 952SX. This features all the benefits of the 951SX. However, as a dual soldering station, it offers both versatility and cost efficiency, delivering a smaller footprint to save bench space. This unit is also temperature controlled, but has the added benefit of having a heavy-duty soldering iron, as well as the standard available in one unit. The two individually controlled irons are able to be calibrated separately due to the separate calibration ports. The 952SX is really a cost-effective and reliable solution to meet your dual production needs.